On the 11th of September 2021, the MLA of West Shillong constituency, MOHENDRO RAPSANG, had inaugurated the feeder line water supply sanctioned through the MLA scheme at the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, JAIAW, Shillong. Those present were member of the hospital governing board, DEACON Francis J. MAIROM, pastor of the JAIAW Presbyterian Church, Reverend W.C. KHONGWIR, the superintendent of the Roberts Hospital, Shillong, Dr. R. NONGRUM, the assistant electrical engineer in charge of electrical and water supply, STEVENSON, IANGRAI, besides others. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, MOHENDRO RAPSANG thanked the medical superintendent of the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Dr. R. NONGRUM, and also the assistant electrical engineer STEVENSON, IANGRAI, and others for their joint effort into making the operations of the feeder line possible. The MLA and himself, a resident of JAIAW Langsning, expressed his joy to have one of the oldest hospitals housed in the locality. He added that with concerted efforts, he strives to soon raise the status of the hospital into an institute of excellence.
Lumba kejingnya Thailand, jongi, ila dan pentai kam ya kani ke feeder line, water supply scheme, namanta kani ke hospital, kumba di jupen pa barabor, kani ke hospital, kalau untang jika ai jing sumar, kabang rim tambat pauna, nre, kalong ru aka kaba mangi nong sum snong jong tong jong sni ni e bat so sarong kumta naki por sekpor lengkap bat ki doktor pinong penyai jong ke hospital judon lang lengkap ban penia ya lenti ki por ban nangkam penba dan biang ban kentil ya gani ke hospital jongi sia kata kerdan kawangi duong hapien pareng an institute of excellence na kermen ru ba inong semua bawan jagani hospital inwan da ka jingkermen bat kin miru da ka jingkermen